Hello children, today we will see the lesson Day and Night. What do you see in this picture? Yes, day sky. Can you see the bright light of the sun? Come, let's see about the sun briefly. The sun gives us light and heat. At daytime, sunlight gives us light. It helps plants grow. If we keep the plants in sunlight, then only it will grow. If we keep the plants inside the house, will it grow? The sun is much bigger than the earth where we live. But the sun looks small because it is far away from the earth. There will be no life on earth if there is no sun. The sunlight takes around 8 minutes to reach the earth. Shadow. When an object does not allow light to pass through it, a dark area is formed. This is called a shadow. Picture, this girl is standing when the sun rises. Look. When afternoon starts, the girl's shadow falls straight to her legs. When sun is going to set, her shadow looks like this. Next, let's learn about the night sky. How we get light from the sun at daytime, like that, at night time we get light from the moon, and in the night sky we can also see stars and clouds. The moon does not have light of its own. It gets light from the sun. Will you see the night sky every day? Does the moon look the same every day? The moon appears to change shape every night. These different shapes of moon is called the phases of the moon. On the night, when we see the moon in its complete form, it is called the full moon. In Tamil, we will say it as Paurnami. On the night, we cannot see the moon at all, even when the sky is clear. It is called the new moon. In Tamil, we will say it as Ammavasai. Festivals. Many festivals are celebrated based on the phases of the moon. For example, Eid, Mahalaya Ammavasai. Do you know? Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the moon. There are countless stars in the sky. The sun is the nearest star. The stars shine during the day too. But we cannot see their light because the sun is much brighter than the other stars. We see that a group of stars appear to form a pattern in the sky. These stars which you are seeing is in which shape? Yes, it's like a ladle. position of the pattern of stars help the people to know when to sow and harvest crops. Stars also help the people to find directions during travel. We have learned about the day sky and night sky. Let's match the following. First one, sun, helps plants grow. Next, second one, stars. What is the answer? You tell me? Yes, form patterns. Next, moon, does not have its own light. Have you matched it? Okay. Fourth one, shadow, a dark area that travels with me. Okay?